Are you looking to master JavaScript and its major frameworks? Or maybe you just want to add JavaScript to your LinkedIn or resume? If you answered yes to either of those questions, then this course is for you. Hi, I'm Gray Lewis and I will be one of the instructors for this course. At Eduonix, we strive hard to provide quality learning materials to students in over 100 countries. And today, we need your support to make this program a reality. Without a doubt, JavaScript is one of the most important languages of the modern day. So important, in fact, that over 95% of websites use JavaScript. If you are someone who's looking to code in JavaScript and make as much as $110,000 a year, then this course can help you significantly. Unlike any other available curations, this mini e-degree will be a no-nonsense, to-the-point program that covers all of the essential aspects of JavaScript as well as React, Angular, and Vue. It also includes various practical projects and labs which showcase real-world use cases, code snippets, and important tools for applying JavaScript. This JavaScript Bootcamp comes with 4 hand-picked modules which cover foundational concepts as well as advanced programming concepts in JavaScript. In the first module, you'll be covering JavaScript, HTML, and CSS for building web applications. It also covers variables, data types, loops, functions, DOM, asynchronous JavaScript, and many other crucial concepts. And once the basics are cleared, you'll be building an API-based project from scratch. The second module is more dedicated to development in Angular. It covers an overview, the Angular architecture, the fundamentals of TypeScript, Angular building blocks, event handling, dependency injections, directives, routing, and a project. The third module will introduce you to the concepts you need to start building mesmerizing UIs with React. It consists of an overview, React setup, components, state, hooks, routing, and just like in every other module, you will be building a project with React from the ground up. The final module will cover programming with Vue.JS, a library widely regarded for the creation of single-page applications and UIs across the world. With this module, you'll get to explore Vue, learn how to set up your environment, and be introduced to basics like instances, data binding, events, and modifiers, as well as the Vue client. It also covers the Vue router and a project which will allow you to challenge your knowledge in real time. Overall, this mini e-degree will give you the opportunity to learn all about foundational concepts and tools and technologies straight from JavaScript experts across the world. And by the time you're done, we are sure that this certification will have helped you to boost your programming skills in JavaScript. So if you want to become a complete JavaScript developer, then this JavaScript Frameworks mini e-degree is your one-stop solution. You can pledge now to claim various early bird benefits. And if you know someone who's looking to upskill with JavaScript, then you can help them out by sharing this campaign. Support our campaign and help us to make this JavaScript program a reality.